So the question is really around those customers. They have multi-plants, multi-location. How can Fujitsu help in supporting scaling that transformation across multiple locations?
Thank you, Luis. That is very interesting topic. It's been in play for us for last 7-8 years. We are looking, there's a targeted segment of customer where we see multi-country, multi-factory deployments are required. So as part of our own learning, as part of working with multiple customers, we created a manufacturing transformation program, which is basically a comprehensive framework which looks at maturity of multiple factory and bring them together and creates a deployment command center which takes them to scale at a multiple location. Traditionally, these all initiatives, if I had to run a multi-country, let's say for a customer, if we talk about a manufacturing customer, they have 45 locations. Traditional manufacturing transformation has been, based on my experience, has been 8-9 months per factory. So if I multiply, that becomes a multi-year project, and customer doesn't have that much time to change their manufacturing, upgrade the processes. So we created that manufacturing transformation program, which not only looks at your manufacturing, looks at your whole security around your factory premises, because IoT brings the vulnerability, looks at how the change management will help you go through it, looks at all the connectivity, the massive data which will come out of the factory, how that can be streamlined with the 5G enablement across the factory, because as you move more towards advanced and cloud-based technology, network becomes a crucial part of it. So we created a comprehensive framework which takes all these factors into consideration, run through our own engine to come up with an optimized plan where we can help customer to achieve those multi-country transformation in 4 to 5 year time frame, as compared to where you look at 15-year transformation program, because manufacturing by nature is complex, right? And we are seeing that adoption happening with a couple of customers. We had very well-known published case study where we did 20 factory transformation for one customer, and another is two of them are going through the newer transformation program, which will get completed around 2026 for them. Okay.
And to add to what Alok is saying, because this is a mature program that it's been undergoing for several years now. More recently, we started to embed business process intelligence into that whole manufacturing transformation topic. So things like that we've been doing for our own plants, like digital Kaizen, right, where we combine data from shop floor into our Kaizen process, and then get data-driven insights to then look into continuous improvement opportunities. So this is all part of the program. It's a very unique approach, something we've been doing for ourselves, and now we're ready to go talk to our customers and deploy this to our customers as well.
That scratches back memories earlier in my career when I went through the Kaizen process. Yeah. Going through this
process innovation, right? Because it's a framework that's been around for so long, right? But now we're doing it a different way. We're doing what we call the data-driven Kaizen or digital Kaizen, right? Based on business process transformation.
Right. Now, you also touch on something else that in this process, this business process improvement, where through the Kaizen, is you addressing the cybersecurity aspect, right? The IT is very secure, but the operational one, as you move in connecting things, it uncovers more vulnerability. Can you expand how you're helping customers with that?
So we have a very defined approach we call as OTSM, all right? It's Operation Technology Service Management concept.
OTSM, yes.
OTSM, and that's basically help us drive that. As part of that process, in a simple term, I'll put this way, we start monitoring with the Fujitsu's own proprietary software, start monitoring the traffic which is going to those devices and coming out of it, and identifying the patterns as part of that exchange. What kind of data traffic should be there? What kind of known entities should be interacting with it? And that creates the whole, first is a defense mechanism. Once it's identified, it eliminates it. And that has been in use for a couple of customers. Once that is done, then we start taking that data and do a second level of what you call as a deeper analysis, because there might be certain things which are new, was not part of the original frame. So there's a second round of iteration it goes through before it becomes basically, what the right word is, it becomes secure, premises become secure.
Right. Right. So accelerate sustainability and digital transformation, but accelerate in a secure way.
In a
Secure way,
Very
yeah.
well
Thank you
said,
for that.
yeah.
And
Okay.
stay tuned for more transmissions from Orlando.
Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.